Okay, what's up, guys? We're here at the Castillo Santa Cecilia. So there's like this castle type thing here, and you can see it from the lookout point at La Pipila. So let's go in. It's a restaurant too. Let's check it out. Let's see if they let us go in. Wow, look at all of this. So yes, I was let in. So Traveling Eddie is going places with you guys on board. Look at the way that looks. And this is a hotel and a restaurant. And I don't know what else. I don't know what the original purpose of this was. I got my muzzle on, that's why I sounded a little muffled. Wow, look at this. This is awesome. I didn't know you had this in Guanajuato. A replica of a castle. And then there's a bull over there, look. A bull that is not even tied down to anything. That's my cousin. My last name is Toro. Well, this is not India, but this is Guanajuato. Wow, just look at this place. And with the Mexican flag flying high and mighty. Wow, just look at all of this. What do you guys think? Does this deserve a like? If it does, you know what to do. That's the restaurant, 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. Guess it's every day. We'll look at it in a moment. Wow. It looks awesome. Wow, just look at this. And a swimming pool if you want to come and take a dip. It's warm right now. It's feeling nice and crispy. Wow. And these are where the rooms are. Wow, look at this. This is amazing. And they have a key lock, like a card. Wow, just like a castle. This is the reception area. Wow. I am simply loving this. I love it, I love it, I love it. And this is a hotel. Kid you not. All those rooms, 205 to 208. Nice. Look at this, like a replica of something somewhere back in Spain. And they replicated the entrances, parking, the little ramp up, the pool area right there. This is a whole replica of where I am filming right now, and I'm somewhere over there. Yeah, right there. Wow. And look at the view if you have one of the top rooms, top floor rooms. You're looking at Puerto Guanajuato down there. What a beautiful day in Mr. Rogers' neighborhood. Wow, look at this. I'm amazed. Very nice. Okay, I'm getting the red carpet treatment. They rolled it out for King Traveling Eddie. And we're crowning people. Or knighting, I mean. Very nice. And we're coming up on the restaurant area. Last part to see. Some kids are getting their 15th birthday pictures taken. A little girl's gonna be turning 15 soon. And those girls have the Katrinas on their face. They got Katrinas painted. And this is the restaurant. Wow. This is the restaurant. Highly recommend this place for you guys who want to stay as queens and kings and princesses. Princesses. Don't want to mess up their picture. They're taking the photo op. She's getting the pictures taken right now. So guys, that's concluding the video for now. If you like it, give it a like. Sorry for the wind. I didn't bring the wind mic. I was not expecting to do this, like sometimes unexpected plans. And this place is awesome. And I kept it under 8 minutes today. I want to give myself a pat on the back. And I will give myself a pat on the back. Take care.